Okay, I'm back in the Wikileaks in the Clinton emails, and I found a good one for you guys. Now, this one's really weird. So, let's see what it says. Right here. Honduras. Maybe. From Hillary Clinton. And blah, 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 blah. The point I want to get to is... blah, blah, blah. Where is that part? Right down here at the bottom. It says, with fingers crossed, the old rabbit's foot out of the box in the attic, I will be sacrificing a chicken in the backyard to Moloch. I will be sacrificing a chicken in the backyard to Moloch. Okay, for you people, I don't know if you don't know who Moloch is. Let's take a look. Okay, the ancient god of child sacrifice. This is in, biblical times and whatnot. So, Hillary Clinton whoever, I will be sacrificing a chicken in the backyard to Moloch. And you know what? Another term for, code word for little kids is chicken. When they're going to sacrifice a child, they say sacrifice a chicken. And you can look that up and research it for yourselves. That is creepy. Someone sacrificed a chicken in their backyard to Moloch. That doesn't sound too good, does it? Clintons, do you sacrifice chickens to Moloch? That doesn't sound very good. Did your Moloch help you that day? Yeah, from Hillary Clinton. Huh, Hillary? Did Moloch give you a great big hand on what you needed done? Was that chicken worth it? Alright, I got some more weird emails from Wikileaks. I found quite a few actually, but let's get on with it. We'll go through them. It's like my John Podesta. That one email I found pretty strange, but I already made a video about that one. Okay, here we go. Highlights, please. Click. Let's see. So, as you can see, it says, gives the email ID, date, from, to, but let's get on with it. It says, hey, depopulation sounds awesome. Depopulation of what? And it says, if you scroll down, the world hit 7 billion people today. Would be a great opportunity to lay out how we see depopulation as the dominant international trend for the rest of the century. Well, if they're talking, okay, the world hit 7 billion people today, so they're talking about a plan to depopulate us human beings. And that's kind of scary stuff. Who do they think they are? You, Anthony Sung? How dare you? Sheesh, man. Alright, here's another one. Let's see. Troops movements across the U.S. Let's see what it says. Okay. First one, let's see. It is part of the elite-controlled depopulation project, as the graphic indicates. What? The graphic indicates. Let's see. Anyone hearing anything about this? And they give a link to the YouTube video. See right there. Just conspiracy theorists, or is something going on? Marco Pepic. I guess his name is Marco Pepic. Stratford. And so, good to know these people keep an eye on YouTube. Just conspiracy theorists, I bet. I bet you this guy's all worried. Hey, man, something going on nobody told me about. It is part of the elite controlled depopulation project, as the graph indicates. So, it's true. The elite are going to depopulate. See, so all I did was type in the search depopulation and a bunch of emails came up from Wikileaks. But I'm not going to go through all of them. There's just like 2 right there I found that are kind of odd sounding. Don't you think? Depopulate. That's wrong anyway. Who has the right to say who lives and who dies? Definitely not me, because I'm probably the one that will get chosen to die. That sucks.